We recently learned of a deadly deputy-involved shooting right here in Albany County. And now, inside those doors, we have the opportunity to see footage from the body cam. On November 4th, Robbie Ramirez was shot and killed on the 2100 block of Garfield and Laramie by Corporal Derek Collings. The questions on many residents' minds are why and what happened. We now have a step-by-step look at the incident from the body and dash cams. As you can see, Collings spots Ramirez driving around 15 miles per hour in a 30 zone. This often indicates something like impaired driving or a medical episode. Then Ramirez makes an abrupt turn, so Collings performs a traffic stop and approaches the passenger window.
Roll your window down. Roll your window down.
After knocking on the window repeatedly and asking Ramirez to roll it down to no avail,
Roll your window down, sir. Roll your window down, sir.
Collings requests a cover unit. Next, the vehicle leaves, causing a pursuit and ending in a high-risk stop. Ramirez steps out of the vehicle. Collings first tries using a taser, but that doesn't stop Ramirez.
Keep your hands up now. Keep your hands up now.
And a fight ensues. It ends with Collings firing several rounds. Reports have said that Ramirez has suffered from mental illness, but this shooting is still under investigation. Due to the violent nature of the footage, we were not able to show all of it to you. In Albany County, Catherine Chloe Cahoon, CBS News Channel 5.